Okay, how's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Edge Technology screens using smart technology gain. I'm showing off my new wave ceiling. Been working on a few things here and there. Now the ceiling is actually coated with an invisible version of the dedicated home theater black screen paint, the 3D screen paint that we designed for using on your ceilings. But we decided to design an invisible version of it for those of you who do not want to change the color of your ceiling to black. This is an actual visible coating. It's nano visible coating that will allow you to take an everyday projector and turn your screen into an awesome effect. I wanted to give off that kind of underwater effect, like my entire ceiling is engulfed in water. I can do this with lights on with no problem. Now you can see I don't have to be in the dark to enjoy my screen. Look at this. This is nanotechnology on the ceiling, an invisible nanotechnology. And that right there, the screen, that right there is our Platinum Sleep Nano. That is my 178-inch 235.1 using a 720p short throw projector. Those are the mini projectors that project the image on the ceiling. Gives me that kind of underwater effect. Now see the same demonstration I was showing downstairs with the black screens, and you can see when I turn the lights on, it doesn't affect the screen at all whatsoever. How beautiful those fish are. This is 720p, only 720p. My projector does 235.1. That's why I'm able to pull this off. That's one of the things I love about the ViewSonic projectors. They can do 16:9, 16:10, anamorphic, panorama, and 235.1 or 2.35.1. Okay, before my time runs out here, I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal Edge Technology screens using smart technology gain. Hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. It's showing you how incredible the nano black technology is. Sorry, not nano black, nano Eclipse Nano technology. That's why I haven't posted anything yesterday. Two reasons why: we had a snowstorm down here, everything got gridlocked, and then I decided to just mask off and just coat the entire ceiling using the invisible nano dedicated ceiling screen paint. Keep in mind we have this in black, and we also have this now in an invisible version. Now keep in mind this will not work well for colored ceilings. Ceilings have to be between gray or kind of white, but they cannot be green or blue or any of those colors, because that's the reaction you're going to get back. It's an invisible chemical, so it's going to reflect the color that it's actually bouncing against. Got my fish tank up and going. Had some time yesterday. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I gotta go. I've got business to take care of today and a lot of work. Got a new projector coming in. Hopefully the day got delayed because of the snowstorm. But hopefully I get it today so I can show it off next to a new screen. Actually, the screen we're working on, not a new screen, but the screen we're working on, which will be that Eclipse Invisible Nano, the wallpaper screen. So we're going to be working on a version of that with the new projector. So one of the things I like about this house is the fact that